Hi, welcome to the Shelley Studio, and this video is brought to you by leftover paint. So, previously uploaded a video that was the Dina Wakley Show Us Your Media Challenge, and I had used these colors to create that page, and I had lots of paint left over, and I didn't want to waste it. So this little spiral bound notebook, it's a little stiffer than copy paper. It was a gift from a friend. I don't even know what kind of paper it is. Excuse me. Don't even know what kind of paper it is, but I use it for my leftover paint when I have some interesting paint and when I'm remembering and think about it. But I figured I would put it on here, and they just kind of turned into this bunch of wildflowers, and I actually really like how it turned out. So I'm just going to play some music, and I hope you enjoy. So I couldn't just leave it at paint, so now I'm going to bring in a pen, and I believe this is a Uniball Air pen, and we're just going to scribble some outlines around all the flowers, petals, and leaves. So that about finishes it up. Just a happy little field of flowers. That was really fun to create. No plan, just going for it. I hope you liked it. If you did like it, please give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it with anybody you think might be interested. And if you've not already subscribed to my channel, think about subscribing and hit that bell icon so you know next time I upload. Thanks for watching.